Nĩ thutha wa gũcemania na atwarithia a nduthi na endia mĩarĩro gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Naivasha, kũrĩa komishona Erastus Boy augĩte nĩ mambĩrĩirie gũkũrana icigo iria irĩ na ũhũthũ wa kũgũmĩrwo nĩ ngũĩ cia mbere na thutha wa gĩthurano, na maobitha makĩria magatũmwo kuo nĩguo kũhanda ũgitĩri na kũng'ethanĩra na arĩa marĩ na muoroto wa gũtumũra ngũĩ.
Miaka mitatu ambayo imepita, kwa kweli tumepambana na hayo magenge. Ni kweli yalikuweko na yalikuwa na uzito wa aina fulani, lakini ndani ya miaka mitatu ambayo tumepambana nao, nafikiri nguvu zao zimerejea chini kidogo, lakini kama ambavyo inajulikana, wakati kama huu labda wanajaribu kujiinua tena kwa sababu ya mimbi pesa ambazo wanapata kutokana na mambo ya uchaguzi, na pia tunamulika na tunajua wachache ambao wanahusika, na wengi wako na kesi kotini, zingine ziko hapa, zingine ziko Nakuru, na tutaendelea kwa njia hiyo hiyo mpaka tuhakikisha kwamba kila mtu ametii sheria, na kama kuna mambo wako na wanafuata tu mkondo wa sheria vile unatakana kufuata.
Mukana wake ni kũrĩ ateti arĩa marĩ na muoroto wa kũhenereria andũ ethĩ na kũmaingĩria mĩtego-inĩ ya kũmahũthĩra gũtumũra ngũĩ hĩndĩ ĩno kambĩini cia ũteti irathiĩ na mbere, akiuga nĩ maranyitanĩra na ikundi cia andũ ethĩ nĩguo kũmahunjĩria thayũ.
Na akipata mtu ambaye pengine anawapatia kitu kidogo, wako tayari kufanya chochote, na hiyo kufanya chochote inaweza kuhusisha pia vurugu kidogo. Saa zingine kuna hiyo mambo ya vileo ili kuweza kuvuruga mikutano wengine, lakini ni mambo ambayo hatuyapi nafasi, kwa sababu tukikuona umeingilia mikutano yote tunaipa ulinzi sawa, na tukiona kama wewe umepotoka kidogo unapoingia kwa mikutano wenyewe, basi inabidi tukufiche kidogo mpaka mambo yatulie, ndiposa usikuje kuleta vurugu ambayo itakuja kusumbua baadaye.
The one that facilitated this activity today and are implementing what they had stated in their work plan is Naivasha Young Turks. Their main focus was border riders. Their main agenda was how to spot, counter and address hate speech, and they thought that the members of the public, during their several trainings that they carried out, they realized that members of the public had a lot to share.
And we're under mentorship by Youth Belanoma. Our contribution to this event, we were able to partner with Nakuru County Government through the Office of the County Commissioner to organize a peace baraza here in Naivasha, and we also were able to collaborate with women and boda riders in the community to spread the message of peace.
Kũringana na rũhonge rwa wathani kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru, icigo cia maĩ mahiũ na Njoro iria irĩ na rekondi ya kũgũmĩrwo nĩ ngũĩ mwaka-inĩ wa 2007 na 2013 nĩ ihoreretio na mũingĩ ũgetĩkĩra kũhĩmbĩria thayũ. Kĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamũ.
Amani sana.